Up, and there probably is more runoff and black ice. I think that would be the big concern this morning, and it's pretty cold out there too. In Philadelphia, we're seeing mostly just dry roads, but anybody who didn't salt icy patches in the shadows yesterday afternoon on sidewalks, you might still run into icy stuff, so careful of that. Storm Tracker 6 Live double scan shows you we're dry though. As we take a look outside, it is a Center City view, and you can see the moon through some high, thin cloud cover. We do expect to see the sunshine back in play very quickly this morning, and then clouds will start to get thicker as we move through the day into the afternoon. Big story is your temperature, 23 degrees right now. The wind's not all that strong out of the west at 10, but that's enough to give you a wind chill down around 11 or 12 degrees in Philadelphia, and some of our outlying areas have wind chills in the upper single digits. So it's very cold this morning, and you do want the winter gear and all of that extra stuff. Gloves, hat would be a good idea, maybe even a scarf for some of you. As you see, we do look at a lot of sunshine early today, and then we see these clouds out to the west filter in as the day goes on. Big story is the cold. Today's forecast high, 34 degrees. We'll hit it at about 3 o'clock, and we will struggle to get there. 22 by 8, 25 degrees by 10 o'clock. If you have optional plans to do at some point today, you might want to wait until the afternoon, because by noon we'll still be at 29. But then we do get that 34-degree high, and by 6 o'clock down to 32 degrees. High temperatures across the region, all of these hitting at about 3 o'clock more or less. Just 29 in Allentown, 30 staying below freezing in Reading, 33 in Trenton, 34s in the rest of the I-95 corridor, and then 36 in Millville and Dover, and probably around 34 or so up and down the coast. Pretty similar numbers from north to south today. And the wind chills this morning, as I said, are in the single digits in the northern and western suburbs. As we go up to lunchtime, it'll still feel like it's in the teens in a lot of spots and only about 20 in Philadelphia. So not exactly weather for a lunch on a park bench today. And then we go later into the afternoon, and the wind chills largely in the 20s, maybe a couple of 30s down there as the winds begin to ease and die down a bit. If you are heading out on the town tonight, it won't be particularly windy, but it will be cold. So again, winter gear will be important. You can see how temperatures slide just below the freezing mark between 7 and 11 o'clock for dinner and a movie. Then tomorrow, warm front passes through. It's cold in the morning, but we get up to 49 in the afternoon. Much warmer with mostly cloudy skies. And on Sunday, some light rain moves in, but it'll be spotty and intermittent. And we'll also look at a fairly mild high temperature. So here we go, 34, brisk and cold today. Wind chills in the teens in the morning and 20s in the afternoon for the most part. Mostly cloudy and milder, and I think Center City gets up to about 50 tomorrow. And maybe a shower at night, but dry during the day. And then cloudy with some intermittent rain at times on Sunday. Not a complete washout, and a high of 48. On Monday, clouds in the morning give way quickly to sunshine, and the afternoon looks breezy and bright with a high of 43. And Valentine's Day, appropriately chilly for those who like to snuggle, 46 degrees, partly sunny there. And then Wednesday, clouds and sun, 47. The next precipitation event appears to be Thursday, and it's probably in the afternoon the way things look now, and it could be a rain-snow mix. Probably one of those deals where the better chance of snow is farther north.
Okay. Yeah.